If you're really focused on improving your gut biome, you may just love this prebiotic probiotic from Physician's Choice. Now, I was gifted this for review and there is a lot to love here. And I specifically asked for these samples because I really love this brand. It is a US brand that manufactures in US GMP certified facilities that are fully third-party tested, and they make sure that their products are very clean. There isn't anything questionable in them, and everything in it is very potent, non-GMO, everything you want out of a supplement brand. So I just want to start off with that, because when it comes to supplements, knowing that the brand is a high quality brand giving you exactly what you want and having that third-party testing is key for me. Now let's get into the supplement, because this is actually a pretty unique probiotic-prebiotic blend. It comes in acid-resistant capsules, so they'll get through your stomach and get where they need to go. And it has 10 billion CFUs of 3 different lactobacillus strains. But the key piece for me is it not only has 3 of the key strains of probiotics that you may want for your biome, but it really focuses on that prebiotic fiber. So it's designed to colonize and then give those colonies the food they need to continue to thrive without having to continue to take more of these supplements. Even though that's great too, and you can take these as long as you need, there's a really nice difference between this and a lot of probiotic supplements in that it's more prebiotic, more fiber heavy. And that prebiotic is chicory root inulin, which again is very clean, lovely ingredient, and really powerful in feeding and improving the strains within your biome. Now, there are probiotic supplements, even from Physician's Choice, that have a lot higher CFUs and a lot more strains. And maybe you want that, and maybe it's too much for you. So not only is this helping improve things long term, but it's also great if you have a little more sensitivity, if you're working into taking probiotics and don't want to go off the deep end to start. This is definitely more of a calmer option, just a more sensitive option in all ways. So if you want a probiotic that's heavy on the prebiotics and easy on the system, this is the one I recommend.